Having a topic is easy, but enriching and styling it can feel tedious. Let's introduce the Floating Toolbar, a faster way to add, connect, and refine your ideas without leaving your content. In this video, we'll show you how to use Floating Toolbar in Xmind. First, when you want to branch out from a topic, click Grow Ideas, and let Xmind help you keep going. If you want to show the connection between two ideas, just select one topic and click Relationship, then choose the topic you want to connect. When a topic needs a reference, click Web Link and paste the URL right here. Want to make the idea more visual? Click Image, choose a picture, and add it straight to the topic. For extra details that don't need to sit on the map, use Note and keep the context tucked inside the topic. If this idea needs action, turn it into a to-do directly from the toolbar. And when you want the topic to stand out, open Style and choose a look that fits your map. Floating Toolbar also works when you select multiple topics. Here, you'll see quick actions for to-do and style. Now, when you're working with text, you can easily adjust the font, color, or emphasis right there. No need to switch your mouse to the Format panel to make adjustments. You'll also see plus buttons beside the selected topic. Click one to add a subtopic and keep building your map. Now, if you want to change how Floating Toolbar shows up, open Settings, then go to Editor. Choose Always if you like having the toolbar ready the moment you select a topic. Choose Click Again if you want a cleaner canvas, but still want the toolbar one click away. And if you choose Never, Floating Toolbar stays hidden. The tools will move back to the Editor toolbar. You can also turn Add Topic button on or off here, depending on how you like to build your map. That's it! Keep the tools close when you need speed. Try Floating Toolbar in Xmind now!